Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Warship Wednesday, a series where we explore the many warships, battleships, cruisers, destroyers and corvettes of history. In today's episode we are exploring the United States battleship USS Iowa, BB-61 or Battleship 61. The USS Iowa was the first of the US Navy's Iowa class of battleship. Built by the New York Naval Yard between the 27th of June 1940 and the 27th of August 1942. She weighed in at an impressive 57,000 long tons, the largest ship ever commissioned by the US Navy at that time. She was officially commissioned into the United States Navy on the 22nd of February 1943. Her total armament was 9 16-inch 406mm 50 caliber Mark 7 guns, 20 5-inch 127mm 38 caliber Mark 12 guns, 76 40mm 56 caliber anti-aircraft guns, and 52 20mm 70 caliber anti-aircraft guns. What a beast. Now moving on into her notable naval career. On February the 16th, 1944, the Iowa, along with her sister ship, the USS New Jersey, sank the Japanese light cruiser Ingen Katori. A few months after that, she was put into Task Force 38, serving as the lead ship. On October 25th, 1944, the Iowa and Task Force 38 received news that the Battle off Somme was taking place at that very moment. The Battle off Somme is notable for the sinking of the US destroyer USS Fletcher and the US destroyer Samuel B. Roberts. Samuel B. Roberts is notable for being the deepest wreck ever discovered. On the 19th of March 1945, the USS Iowa, along with her sister ship the USS Missouri, headed off to support the bombardment of Japan. She supported airstrikes off southern Kyushu. Sorry if I have mispronounced any of those. From May 25th to June 13th. After that, she steamed up toward northern Honshu and northern Hokkaido? Sorry, I'm not very good with Japanese names. And participated in airstrikes on the Japanese home islands between the 14th and the 15th of June. After World War II, she sailed to Long Beach, California, and became a training ship for a few years before being commissioned in the Korean War. After that, she was placed in reserve between 1953 and 1982. In 1982, she was brought in for modernisation, per se. After 2 years in dry dock, I guess you'd call it, she was recommissioned on the 28th of April 1984 and served for a further 6 years before being decommissioned in 1990 and being put into reserve. In 2006, she was stricken, basically just leaving the fleet for good, and was bought by the USS Iowa Trust, who purchased her and opened her as a museum ship in Los Angeles, and you can still visit her today. Thank you for watching the first Warship Wednesday. Honestly, I really enjoyed making this one, and I hope I can start to put out videos weekly on this channel, because I do really enjoy making them. Well, cheerio. See ya.